I don't think I've ever used this much baking powder before. Like, this is a lot. So one of the videos I found online that really kind of got the idea I was looking for was Makeup by Shayla, how to do makeup like a pro. Like, I just love the brown, I love the nude, I love the, you know, she just looks very like summer, glowy, and it just looks really, really professional. I loved that look. Hey girl, hi Shayla. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of like be doing her look. Of course, I don't have all the brands that she mentioned, but I do have similar to everything, so I'm just going to use whatever I have, but then copying her. You get it? Tutorial before, so I'm just going to click right here, put it right here, so you can go back and kind of see how I did my brow. So let's skip this part and move on to the next one. Done. I think they look good. I think I did well. Because it kind of like just reminds me of like Africa, like Lion King. Like, I love the colors. Like, this is so me. I don't like pink and bright and super bright. I like the dark, the yellows, the oranges. Like, oh my god, I love this look. Like, all right, let's put on here and see what's up.